Governor and Chief Minister wish the people of Manipur a very happy and a joyous New Year. Chief Minister Biren distributes over 54 lakh loans under to 41 persons. Appeal for timely repayment of loans. CSO leaders warn the Prime Minister of severe consequences if the framework agreement does not consider the people's interest. Zelengrong communities celebrate Gangai festival with traditional fervor and enthusiasm in Manipur. And Prime Minister Modi asserts that New India will be free from casteism, communalism, terrorism, corruption, filth and poverty. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah has wished the people of Manipur a very happy New Year 2018. In her New Year message, the governor said the dawn of a new year is always significant as a New Year resolutions are met looking to the future with hope. She said she joined the people of Manipur in celebrating New Year and hoped that every day will be blessed with good tidings for more prosperous and a peaceful New Year. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has wished the people of Manipur a very happy and a joyous New Year. He wished that the New Year will strengthen the bond between the people of the hills and the valley and the idea of unity among all communities which the new BJP-led government has brought about. Speaking to media persons at Chief Minister's Secretariat, Biren said, unity among the communities is the biggest achievement of the 9-month-old government and assured that the government will work towards strengthening the bond between the hills and the valley. He asserted that the 9-month-old government has taken up several developmental works. The Chief Minister claimed that it is the biggest achievement of the government that the state now does not face the problems of economic blockade on national highways any longer and the Churachandpur issue has been resolved. He said the government has been working for the welfare of the people by implementing various schemes introduced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Biren said the government is able to understand the problems facing the people by holding a Miyamgi Numit on 15th of every month and Chingi Luching Basingi Numit on the 10th of every month. He announced that passenger service of Manipur State Transport will begin operating in Chandal district from tomorrow and also process to develop a 28-kilometer stretch of road between Singha to Behan International Highway to connect with Southeast Asian countries has been completed. Biren said the government to empower Vigilant Commission as a police station to strengthen the anti-corruption cell will be issued on January 1st. He said over 300 villages have been electrified as an initiative to electrify the whole state and efforts are on to give electric supply to other 57 villages. Biren said the government has also taken steps to make the state open and defecation-free by March 2018 and the construction of the Secretariat of Capital Project will be completed in March. He said 750 lakh rupees to repair Kangkhui Cave near Siroi Hill, Ukhrul, 15 crore rupees to restore the Imphal View Tower on Langol Hill and 39 crore rupees to set up water supply at Tamilong have been sanctioned and the works will be taken up soon. Biren said a booklet of the developmental works undertaken and to be taken up by the government will also be released soon. He appealed for people's support in the government's initiative to bring about love and unity between the people of the hills and the valley.
Strike natai sadaba mibu wahanba mibu waningai weba thukatningai weba makhal amatagi nataba mihar mipun to widana ban blockade to widana support to wirakanda lusing bire sarkar se makhatana लाकदरब सहीदसु सुमायना प्रॉब्लम लेबा ग्रीवांसेस लेबा पेन दबा लेबा पुनिमक्तो अखोय पुन्ना फमिनरगा वारी सारकांदा सरकार न ngambne sini ngamdabne sini do khanarga wari sanarga sasi and ban free oiba blockade free oiba mihar mi pun leitaba pising the sathaba crime akhoi matik sab action logani haibagi government pi gi do koitaba goina ole sidante any kind of criminal any kind of unlawful activities government sin madumadi compromise soroi.
Information and Public Relations Minister Thongam Biswajit today released the Manipur Government Wall Calendar and Diary published by Directorate Information and Public Relations for 2018 at his official quarters at Sanjintong. The calendar highlights various schemes launched by government, namely Sotharabas Singhi Tengbang and Saubhagya scheme launched by Union Minister of Power R.K. Singh. The wall calendar also depicts various state festivals, namely Mera Hauchongba, Orange Festival, Sangai, Siroi and Barak festivals. The diary contains the details of the government functionaries as well as central government offices located in Manipur. The minister also wished the people a happy and a prosperous New Year 2018 at the event. He hoped that the New Year 2018 will bring peace, harmony among different communities living in the state. Director DIPR Megachandra Kongbam and officials of the directorate attended the event. Mahut Minister Thongnawjam Sham Kumar also wished the people on the eve of the New Year. In his message, the minister said the past 12 months have been marked by noteworthy achievements and changes. He said, let 2018 be a year of peace, progress and harmony.
Lisingani Taragani Panas Lakpada, Manipur, Zaki Cannabalaitaba, Kalku Cannabalaitaba, Dharma Cannabalaitaba, Ingtapa, Santi Laiba, Amagunusinaba, Hen Sakatpa, Apabalomda, Mang Musinduna, Amadi, Manipurgi, Zagoi Isai, Sana Konaba, Natki, Mayamasi, Malemgi, Sanabung Kayada, Malemgi, platform Kayada, Kokasau Pida Amatamduna, Manipur Jati Singi, so my Purapa Sahi Mudasano, Hen Sakatpa Sahi Mudasano Haidana, Manipurgi Praza, Kudimakta, Agi Saitagi, Nungsiba, Amadi Harauba, Amadi Ikai Kunamulana, sing time one lapada, my uncle Yapi Posit Bizar.
Punamakshe, Nungshi Chanana, Hingminabashina, quite the Chakotpa, State of Mahabado, we get Urabani, Maramadona, Chakotang, Lambida, Langana with the mug. Akoy punamak isai sagi nuana da isai sagi pen da ba khara khara thadung minaraga laibak si dama khalaga tungi mirol gi dama khalaga akoy punamangna nungsi janana hingina da si anoba chahi lakpa tu dogun atina si lakpa sina nungai ba yai phaba jati punamakta ora sanu
solising ni sumna tarani pan lakpa sida manipur praja sing phamda nungai yai phaba paujel ma pijari singdam nungsi nabagi mari edu chaliba chahi 2018 Lakpasida, Urapa Urasunu, Sakut Torang, Punamak, and over Sahina Lakpasida, a quite singdom, Tong Manana Sakut Nabagi, Lambiedu, and over Sahina Purapa Urasunu.
Leaders of civil society organization in Manipur wish the people of Manipur a very happy New Year 2018.
2018 lakpasida Manipur miyamda yamna nungaiba koi pukchel khojel tinaba ing tampa adugumba laibakama puraknaba koi honaminasi koi gi mangda tariba issue sing ase koi punna koi gi mayam amatoiba pangalu sagalakanda koi yamna phajaba chinglemba duma warosin ma puraktana issue leiriba mayam ase mathang loisin minadana adugumba apunba Manipur paipun thambiramba adu musaktam ado hanjenba ngamnana ba koi punna honaminasi
अनौब चाही असिगी लाकपददी अखोई मसेलगी मरक्ता अमत्ता ओइबा अदो थाजनदब पुनम काउथोगांदा अखोई मसेनसी थाजनबा यामना नुंसी चानबा लैपाक अमा इंग तप्पा नुंगाई याइफबा अदुगुंबा लैपाक अमा ओइननबा अखोई चिंगमी तमी पुनमकना अमतोइना इमा अमतगी मचा ओइरिबा अखोई पुनमकना होनमिनरगांदा अखोईगी इरमदम मणिपुर असे अमुक्तंग नुंसी चानबा लिपुल अदो अखोई पुन्ना सागनमिनरगांदा अखोई पुन्ना हिंगमिनसी
अखोई लमदम सिदा लेमिनरीबा तोंगान तोंगान बा इतनी ग्रुप कया अमना पुनसिलगा सेमलिबा अखोई मणिपुर सिदा हेंगना इंग तप्पा अदोगी हेना नुंगायबा हेना याइफबा अखोई पुनसिरोल अमगी वखल कुखन खनमिनेरे हारगा हेना फबा हेना साखुतपा इरमदम अमो ओइनेनाबगदम इसोरगी मफनदा अखोई थौनिजबग लोइनाना हेना याइफबा ओइरसुनु हाइबो फुमसि थमजरी
Chief Minister Nongthom Birena today distributed a 54 lakhs and 36,000 loan under Manipur State Cooperative Bank Limited and NABARD to 41 loanees today. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister stated that the people of the state think loans are for free. He appealed to loanees to return the loan in time. He said the government came to know about the problems of the people after interaction during Miyam Ginumit and Chingi Luchingba Singinumit. He said the loan are given to those who asked for financial assistance during the Miyam Ginumit and Chingi Luchingba Singinumit and those who run a piggery and dairy farm under Area Development Scheme of NABARD. The loanees also appreciated the government for providing them with loans and assured that they will repay it in time.
CCM NABARD KBK Impal si tawraga khoi cooperative bank tawraga samnaraga mayamna kano tawbibadagi khoi hariba loan je khoi tawjabani hana amupok kano tawdaba mayama handak thengna jarpasi yam nungai sigi se khoi matam chana singnana ba khoi hona jagani aduga khoi sidagi henba amuk mathang amuk loan amuk chawna loge habe asa leje.
Last time the shman oiramde khoi bo facility bi bise handak ti yam nungai je loan shman piraga khoi thabak suba singbo or akwai bo thmana moina pirak pasi yam nungai ji khoi adam akwai bo meteng pambi grama matungina akwai lakrba mayam su matam chana singjage tungda su adam hena bisu pbu
praja sing da kana biu praja sing gu nungai lo praja phan bai ba khoi gi thong ni sarkar khoi gi ngasi phau buda miyam gi numit amade sumba scheme na piri si phane yam gre loan phangbiri ba iseli nauk sing ukhul dagi or ini tampak tagi laiba mayam dai na appeal tong base ngasai grant ki portion ju 50% ena yawba mayam ma yawre ngasi dai entry is 54 lakhs somethings bank ki niyom matam sana apik percent du khraga du singat pirkanda kana bodo lobiu Manipur da operate to biri ba bank khuding ma business community khatagi government employee khatagi oina to biganu praja sing kari skilled makogi potential feel the kumbira kanda mama na suning balaiba mama na tonging balaiba akang ahi mayam do madai the financially mateng pangbiu praja dadi kana supi bi dana ikoi dum bank tongi haragadi government ki side ki very sorry.
Representative of UCM, Amuko and CCSK reminded the Prime Minister and other central leaders of the violent incident of June 18, 2001 and that anything against the interests of the people might lead to a more intense protest than that of 2001. The representatives of CSO who met with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other central leaders regarding the framework agreement signed between the Government of India and NSCN-IM during their 15-day stay in New Delhi returned to Imphal yesterday. Speaking to media persons at UCM office, spokesperson of the joint CSO team, Johnson Ilangbam, said they do not meet the central leaders to seek favor. He said they urge leaders not to do anything that will hurt the sentiments of the people and to understand the interests of the people. He said the framework agreement must not hurt the sentiments of the people living together for more than 100 years in Manipur. Johnson maintained that the government of Manipur and CSOs cannot ignore if the framework agreement affects Manipur, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Johnson maintained that the CSO along with the people will protest if the centre decides anything against the interests of the people. He said leaders of the political parties which are not in power also assured that they will press the centre not to arrive at the conclusion without informing the people of Manipur, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. Johnson expressed hope that the government of India will not harm the interests of the people.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀꯁꯨ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯔꯤꯇꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯌꯥꯅꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯋꯥꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯆꯨꯝꯅꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯀꯜ ꯅꯥꯝꯃꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯌꯥꯅꯕ ꯈꯛ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯂꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯌꯥꯅꯒꯗꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯉꯩꯗ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯃꯐꯥꯎꯅꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯜ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯄꯨꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ 2001ꯗ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯗꯕꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯖ ꯐꯥꯏꯔ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯇꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯜꯂꯨꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ 19ꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯈꯝꯅꯈꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯀꯧꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯅ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯇꯗꯨ ꯄꯨꯕꯤꯒꯅꯤ
Zelengrong community today celebrated the Gangai festival with traditional fervor and enthusiasm across the state. The state-level Gangai Celebration Committee celebrated the annual festival of the Zelengrong community at Rangziang village, Ngarian in Hanglep constituency. Usually, the post-harvest festival is celebrated for 5 days in Zelengrong inhabited areas in Manipur, Assam and Nagaland. Invocation of the Supreme God Tinkhau Ragwa, Panthaba, Loi Lauba, etc. marked the first day of this festival. Chairman of the Hill Areas Committee, T. Thangzalam, wished the people for a happy and a peaceful New Year. Vice Chairperson of Disaster Management Authority, Manipur, Adim Pamay said, Gangai is held to celebrate the rich yield of the season. Pamay also expressed his gratitude to Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren, who declared Gangai Festival as a state-level festival for the people following the Tinkhau Rangwa Chapriak fate. Traditional songs and dances highlighted the celebration. Gangai was celebrated in Rongmei Kabui villages in the valley with traditional and religious fervor. They consider the festival as the New Year. The festival is also celebrated by the Zelengrong community, which follows Tinkhau Rangwa Chapriak in the hills. In Imphal city, the festival is celebrated in Kakulong, Ragailong, Kashamthong and Ramjikul. On the first day of the festival, people chanted Hoi to invoke the god and performed rituals including extraction of sacred fire. Shot put, long jump, wrestling and javelin throw competitions were also held.
Masa ayam singlam da tau da maram masa ayam Christianity da loy on kharabni na sing lining license se me kya som da celebration se yaudre aduna TRC kangbu se bana ipu na sali ba kangbu sin maru oina dum celebration se tau nature of war celebration di khena de dum samane adobo numerical in term of numerical na de mi khara hanthai haib tai kari no do yam na Christianity da yam sakhrabni na ado akhoi hojik leiriba se official natraga so Manipur Valley Assam ga Nagaland pulma sida 20 to 30,000 sigi manung dadi soidana lei haina akhoi dum thajai
sakan gangai se state holiday obiram de adobo hojik state holiday oirabina akhoi gi tampak ta leiriba isinenau mayam akhoi kaboi jati khaktang natana atopa jati maitai isinau even muslim mayam phawbat akhoi gi sidi state holiday state ki festival oibnina mayam se enjoy tawbada akoina adum welcome tawbanina hojikte yam na phung phare haina lojak
yamna ingna tamna panba akoigi leba ama oiba nungchi chanana lemina ba kambu khenadana uba machi isuna tapki be khoi ama ui majugi maram macha mai de khoina isagi community na chajarjoi khoi marum mapa khoi mite ichin now meyaksi khoi tinna chana me ngasi uji evening sa cha koroga koi chamin absolutely
sakan gangai se
President of Zelengrong Union Amu Kamwe expressed dissatisfaction at the government's announcement to celebrate state-level Gangai festival, which is a festival of Zelengrong community as a festival of a single community. He further stated that the Zelengrong Union, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland has been organizing the festival for the past many years and strongly appealed to the new government to allow them to continue the tradition in the coming years. He was speaking at the 23rd state-level Gangai celebration organized by Zelengrong Union at Kakulong. Kamai said within the Zelengrong community, there are various clans practicing different faiths, but since 1995, the union has been organizing the festival representing the entire Zelengrong community.
Congress ki matamda afaba asumba tawrusu mawa laude BJP na anauba oibanina aikhoina atopa ama puthokta yade haiba adu intention leiridi adu oiba tardi masi government natre adu gumba wakhallonda aidi hojik present government hisu rethink tawruga amuka phajana khallaga mathang gi sahi didi asum aran se khangnanaba masi tawbiyu haibase appeal tawningi.
Member of Rajya Sabha K. Vavananda greeted the people, particularly the Zelingrong community, on the occasion of Gangai. In his message, the MP said the festival itself is an institution through which the Zelingrong sustain their cultural heritage and way of life. It's time for a small commercial break. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said a new India will be free from the poison of casteism, communalism, terrorism, corruption, filth and poverty, and exhorted the youth of the country to come forward and deliberate on how a new India will be formed. We'll be back with the details of Man Ki Baat. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You are watching Primetime English News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said a new India will be free from the poison of casteism, communalism, terrorism, corruption, filth and poverty, and exhorted the youth of the country to come forward and deliberate on how a new India will be formed. In his 39th edition of Man Ki Baat program on All India Radio, Modi said everyone will have equal opportunity and aspiration in the new India. The Prime Minister said it will be a place where peace, unity and amity will be the guiding force. Expressing his views on cleanliness, the Prime Minister said people should make a contribution in the direction of making clean India, which the father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, had dreamed of. He said efforts in the direction of cleanliness are being widely taken across the country. He said a change can now be seen in the form of public participation in the rural and urban areas alike. Narendra Modi said a cleanliness survey will be conducted from January 4th to March 10 to evaluate achievements in the cleanliness level of the urban areas. The survey will cover a population of more than 40 crores in more than 4,000 cities. The Prime Minister said now Muslim women can go to Hajj pilgrimage without a male guardian. He said earlier if a Muslim woman wanted to go to Hajj pilgrimage, she must have a male guardian, otherwise she cannot travel. Now, Minority Affairs Ministry has removed this restriction that it has been in practice for the past 70 years. Remembering the pious occasion of Christmas, the Prime Minister said Christmas was celebrated across the world with gaiety and fervor. He said the Christmas reminds us of the great teachings of Jesus Christ, who laid much emphasis on the spirit of service seva bhav. Modi also urged upon countrymen to imbibe lessons from Guru Gobind Singh Ji teachings and exemplary life and mold life in accordance with them. Prime Minister also wished countrymen a very happy New Year 2018. President of Dalit Sena R.K. Somarendro, Elias Kaiku, provided help to differently able mother and a daughter. Ningol Pikpi and her daughter Manda from Hydromayai Laikai in Imphal West District. Speaking to media persons, Kaiku said he learnt about the mother and the daughter on Facebook. He appealed to the government to look into their condition. A team led by DC Technopole visited the no man's land near the Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate No. 2 in Moreh. The team also warned that they will remove the pigsty kept there if the villagers do not remove them by January 3rd. The team included SP Dr. S. Ibomcha and ADC. Yahya Khan, an MBBS intern who took part in the presentation of the Nobel Peace Prize 2017 in Oslo, Norway, was felicitated at an event organized by Manipur State Council, All India Student Federation at Manipur Press Club today. Former Minister Dr. Moirangthem Nara and several individuals took part in the event.
Nobel Peace Prize more than 460 organizations belonging to 101 countries. Maduda, inclusive of you yourselves, ngasi ni miphamasi yawi michil now sinchil punamakta even Nobel Peace Prize kari mo prithvi ki shanti thamdabiyati quite ki shanti bakula is machine thamdabiyati hai bari movement adu yawi mi punamakta honor to oina amasu
An auto rickshaw driver, Maibam Gobin, aged 40 years, son of Let M. Tombisana from Iroisemba, Mahidan, was assaulted by some unidentified migrants and is undergoing treatment at ICU of Raj Medicity. He is reported to be in a critical condition. Sources said his auto rickshaw was reserved by some persons from Thauton Kuno on the night of December 13th and the passengers assaulted. Iroisemba Youth Development Club, Iroisemba Apun Merapaibi Loop and Uripok Patrol Automobile Association organized a public meeting at Iroisemba Youth Development Club in connection with the incident. Wife of Gobin, Maibam Baby, said on the day he went to Thauton to drop the passengers, Lamsang police station informed her around 2 a.m. and brought her injured husband, stating that he was found lying on the roadside. He was admitted to RIMS and later referred to Raj Medicity and escaped under observation till now. Maibam Baby said her husband suffered serious head injury. She said doctors have advised operation, but the poor family cannot afford the cost of the operation. E. Folendro, president of Iroisemba Youth Development Club, said after filing an FIR at Lamsang police station, 3 of the accused were arrested and released on bail on December 26th.
Fubi party sina jo lying bini har maga lakhidre sla lakhidre dagi hoji te aidi khop sangi paisa me am jo thi besu ngamdre yungi jo isa singi mana lupa tara tara to bara to tangalaga imung manung bena bani aduna aidi mau ji lying mangamdra bina lekai sigi imung ba club ki punamak ta lekai ta sina jare mayam jina ai puroi bese pa amung ta di lying bi odu ha ningi punchi de tam tak pusan bi oda hai ningi
Kiuski Saitagi, Katang, Koina Pendabadi, Towning Bada, Towdabasi Kainobu, Moigi, negotiation si, Pashalite, Adu Togde, Hana Laitong Navahonavasi, Kitang Pende, Pazamia Madi, Makai from the Leba, Madi, Koigi, Manipurgi, Civil Society Organization Manazu, Koigi, Mateng PBU, Madi, Sida, support of you, Habase, Hajening, Aduga, Sigumba, crimes, Matung the Toktanabagidama, Koina, Akanba, Koigi, Action Ama, Tawapami.
A bus service of Manipur State Transport will be commissioned on the Imphal-Chandal route from the first day of January. It may be recalled that Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren announced that a bus service will be introduced on the route during his maiden visit to Chandal district. Chief Secretary R.R. Rashmi will launch the service tomorrow morning at ISBT Dwalaland. The fare for a single trip is ₹80. The ride will be free tomorrow from Imphal to Chandal and back. Water Resources Minister Lepao Haukib attended the 9th meeting of High Powered Review Board of Brahmaputra Board chaired by Union Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation Minister Nitin Gadkari yesterday at Kaziranga, Assam. During the meeting, Lepao Haukib apprised the Union Minister of the frequent floods facing the state every year. He told the meeting that the state suffered huge loss during flash floods within a span of 45 days. Considering the urgency to evolve a long-term solution to the problems of floods in Manipur, the ministry agreed to include a Manipur River Basin in terms of reference in the study of the Brahmaputra Basin. Lepao Haukib proposed that WAPCOS, WAPCOs and a PSO under the ministry may also be assigned to study the Manipur River Basin and to prepare a comprehensive master plan for effective management and control of recurrent flash floods in the state. President of Democratic Student Alliance of Manipur, Moirangthem Angamba, said the student body will be paid due attention to students in connection with the New Year celebration. Angamba was speaking at the press meet held at the SAM office in Sagolband. He said the education system in the state is more inclined towards private tuitions. Angamba said the privatization has not only given additional pressure on the student but also disturbed the normal education system. He maintained that the SAM will take steps to put an end to this prevailing situation.
lamdam sigi lengak loisingda policy maker singda ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯒꯗꯕ ꯇꯝꯒꯗꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯇꯤꯆꯤꯡ ꯂꯔꯅꯤꯡ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯕꯨ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯌꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯏꯖꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯒꯅꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯚꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯧꯒ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯌꯨꯡꯕꯗꯧꯅ ꯌꯨꯡꯈꯠꯂꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤ ꯇꯝꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯍꯩꯂꯣꯏꯁꯪꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯇꯕ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯅꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡ कोचिंग सेंटरसिंग सुंग मयाम सिंग असिदा ताकपी तंबीबने हेना मायोंजे थमनरकदुंग तम्मेबा एजुकेशन सिस्टम असी यामना नुंगनांगनिङाइनि एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन सिंग सरकार गे मदि गवर्नमेंट गे लेरिबा मायलोइसंग सिंग असी नियम चुमना ताकपी तंबीरिब्रा अमदि ताकपी तंबीबगी लर्निंग आउटकम असी करिनो हाबसे मसिगी होइबा अचौबो कैंपेन अमा हंदकी लागदब 2018 दगी पाइकचबा हौजरगनी हाबो.
The month-long 78 Nupilal observance concluded today at Nupilal complex. Speaking to media persons, a publicity secretary of steering committee, Peter Longjam, appealed to the government to give consent in naming the road along the Nupilal complex as Nupilal Road so as to remember the agitation by women of Manipur against the British rule in 1939 by the future generation. While Secretary of Steering Committee, Nupilal Memorial Association, Longjamba Maitai said the Government of India recognized Nupilal as an independence movement of not just Manipur but an independence movement of India on March 3, 1973. He said it is unfortunate that the recognition was cancelled on September 22, 1976. Longjamba appealed to the government to look into the matter to restore the recognition.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯒꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯂꯨꯆꯤꯡꯉꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯂꯥꯜꯒꯤ ꯔꯣꯗ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯕꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯂꯩꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯊꯕꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯂꯥꯜꯗ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯂꯥꯜꯒꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯃꯥꯁꯦ स्क्रिप्ट से 2000 सानरप लोंजम मितई नेताजी की स्क्रिप्ट से 2017 बुक सानखरे हाइरिबि स्क्रिप्ट से मसी अखोन गेजेट रिफ्लेक्ट तौगे हाबा मतम द मसी यादबसे मसी करिगिनो हाबसे मसी अखोय याम नुंगाइजदे अखोय एसोसिएशन ना.
Development Organization Andhra Kendra today released the calendar for 2018 at an event held at Thambalnu Market, Lamkai in Imphal East. Now the sports news. TH Veerachandra Singh Football Academy TBSFA organized a friendly football match to promote football in Manipur. TBSFA beat MCM 11 by 2-0 in a friendly match. TBSFA released the calendar for 2018 during the event. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Governor and Chief Minister wish the people of Manipur a very happy and a joyous New Year. Chief Minister Biren distributes over 54 lakh loans under to 41 persons. Appeal for timely repayment of loans. CSO leaders warn the Prime Minister of severe consequences if the framework agreement does not consider the people's interest. Zelengdrong community celebrates Gangai festival with traditional fervor and enthusiasm in Manipur. And Prime Minister Modi asserts that New India will be free from casteism, communalism, terrorism, corruption, filth and poverty.